Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lamborghini Aventador with cardboard. Gather cardboard, a box cutter, hot glue, ruler, pencil, and paint before you begin. Start by measuring and sketching templates for the chassis and body panels. Cut carefully and label each piece to prevent confusion. Work in stages. Assemble the base, attach body panels, and refine edges. Save time by reusing offcuts and keeping your glue gun warm for seamless joins. Lay out the chassis templates and glue layers of cardboard at right angles to create a strong base. Insert wooden skewers or dowels through pre-cut slots to act as axles and ensure wheels roll smoothly. Dry fit the body panels and adjust seams before applying final glue. Trim excess with a box cutter and sand edges lightly for clean joins. Keep measurements consistent to maintain the Aventador's low, angular profile throughout assembly. Refine the body by adding folded cardboard vents, sharp hood creases, and layered side skirts to mimic the Aventador's geometry. Prime surfaces so paint adheres evenly and avoid soaking cardboard by using thin coats. Apply metallic spray for the main color, then use small brushes for accents like headlights and trim. Attach simple paper or plastic wheels painted black, and add decals or stickers for badges. Seal with a clear matte coat to protect your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.